Good evening everyone. Today we are going to show you how to set up a USB drive so that it's ready to install Ubuntu 18 Desktop Linux. So what you'll need to get started is to download a tool called Rufus and a USB disk. In this case I've got a 16 gig USB disk and I've already plugged it into my laptop. And then all I need to do at this point is to select an ISO image, as so. Then just simply click on Start to continue. The next pop-up dialog box will ask you whether you want to continue, and it will warn you that any data that's on your USB drive will be destroyed. If you are okay with that, simply click on OK to continue. At this point, I'm going to pause the recording of the video and I'll resume once this process has been completed. The process has now been completed and you now have a USB disk that you can use to install Ubuntu 18 Desktop Linux. All you simply need to do is to plug that USB disk into your laptop or PC, reboot the laptop or PC, go into boot options, then boot off the USB drive. Thank you very much for your time. If you like this video, please click on like. If you wish to see further videos from myself, then please subscribe. And also please hit the notification bell so that you can get alerts once I upload further videos. Thank you very much.